Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for G Suite detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for G Suite, begin by visiting the official G Suite website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your business name. Fill in the required details, including the number of employees. Next, provide your current email address. After entering your email, click on Next to proceed. You will then be asked to create a new G Suite username and password. Ensure that your username reflects your business identity. Once you've completed this section, click Next again. In this step, you will need to verify your domain name. If you already own a domain, select the option to use it. If you don't have a domain yet, you can purchase one through Google. Follow the prompts to either verify or purchase your domain. Once your domain is verified, provide the additional information requested. This includes your phone number for account recovery and contact purposes. After filling in all necessary information, review your details carefully. Click on Next to move on to the Payments section. Select your preferred G Suite plan that fits your business needs. Enter your payment information and billing address. Confirm your purchase by clicking on the Start Free Trial or Buy button. After the transaction is complete, you'll be directed to your G Suite admin console. From there, you can begin setting up your business account. Customize your account settings based on your organization's preferences. Create user accounts for team members by following the prompts. Finally, familiarize yourself with the unique features of G Suite. Congratulations, your G Suite account is now registered and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.